What would be nice for a quick meal? A slice of salmon fish and a bit of teriyaki thick sauce. This is a really easy meal and a quick meal. So you put in about 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and you can also add in a little bit of honey if you want to make it a bit sweeter, if that's your preference. And honey can be about 1 teaspoon. So you can blend it into the mixture before you marinate the salmon fish. Now I've also added in a little bit of garlic salt because I prefer it to be a bit of savory taste and not so sweet. But it's really very flexible and you can actually change it a little bit according to your preference. Now here's the salmon fish, and I'm going to cover it with a little bit of the teriyaki sauce and the garlic salt. Just spread it over lightly so that you can have a good coating of the marinade over the overall fish. Very easy and simple to cook. Anytime you wish to have a quick dinner or lunch, this is nice and delicious. Now we are done, and I've lined the aluminum foil on the air fryer, and then I'm going to put the salmon fish into the air fryer with the skin at the bottom so that it can cook the fish well. I'm going to set the temperature for about 400 degrees and it's for about 10 minutes. You can adjust the timing as you get used to familiar according to your preference of whether you want it to be a bit more cooked or just a bit slightly cooked. Time's up, and now for the revelation. Here comes the salmon fish with teriyaki sauce. A very nice dinner or lunch. Teriyaki salmon fish, and you can garnish it with a bit of garlic or spring onion, or some will call it scallion, and you can also put a bit of sesame seed. I use the white type because it looks nice against the contrast of the color of the salmon. So enjoy your lunch or your dinner. Till the next time we meet again.